Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. The carpentry contractors are installing the shoe racks and coat rods and also working on miscellaneous wood trim throughout the building. The tile contractors are working on the main area floor tile and should be completing this work early next week, including all grouting and tile base. The electrical contractors completed most of their wiring except for the heaters that are on back order for the stairwell. Plus, they are also working on the exit signs. We had the final electrical inspection. Everything was approved except for the missing items. The HVAC mechanical contractor was here working on ceiling diffusers and exhaust fan connections above the ceiling. RTU and basement units were started up, will be left on for climate control of the building for painting and tile. The painting contractor was here doing touch-up and will be back next week. The carpentry contractor is scheduled to be back working on the back-ordered door hardware. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.